Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to change commentary language. In the beginning, to change commentary language you have to download new languages. In order to do it, let's go to settings and find game settings. Now push your analog right and enter it. Select new language. Now let's go back to settings, game settings, audio, and you have to restart the game. After restarting the game will download new language. Once it's done, let me just switch to the language before. Once the new language is downloaded, you can go back to the game settings and audio. And you can change commentary language right here. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.